Hi, this is Hetal. My son Manan, who is a grade 12 student at Dhirubhai Ambani High School. His journey with RFL started way back in 2016-17, where he had just started a regular summer camp to learn robotics. Now, he being from a doctor's family where we all are doctors, we never thought that he would take up to this engineering aspect in such a way. After 2017, from the time he joined RFL, there has been no looking back for him. It all started with WRO, that is World Robotic Olympiad regionals, where they came first, and that was the high in their life. And after that, it was FLL and then WRO 2018, where they were the national champions and went ahead to Chiang Mai to participate in the International Robotics Olympiad. After that, it was the next venture, which was FTC First Tech Challenge, where also they won the first Winning Alliance Championship. And the last step was, of course, FRC, the First Robotics Challenge. So, being in RFL has brought out that engineering aspect of my son, which I said was so unlikely in a doctor's family. And because of which now he's going to pursue a career where he aspires to be an engineer soon. Once he started going for these international challenges and international competitions and meeting people there, it has changed his outlook. He did see the way education was conducted there and how they are so flexible in the education that they provide, and the opportunities there are so much more. So which is why he's decided to now explore those universities for his education and career in engineering further. He is aiming at or aspiring to go to all these tech colleges, maybe Georgia Tech or Carnegie Mellon or Caltech. We don't know. Let's see.